Hey guys, future me editing this video, audio sucks. Forewarning. I'm gonna try to do subtitles. We're gonna see how that works. Sorry, just watch it. All the information's great. Just couldn't hear me. So have fun. See ya. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Exhausted. And here is my Traxxas TRX-4M. Let's get into it. Yeah, I've done a little bit of mods. As you can see, there's a lot. I haven't done much. I want to catch you up while I turn off camera. This is going to get printed. No one, but other than that, I got the factory, or not factory, but it is Traxxas headlights and taillights. So if I brake lights and reverse lights, see the reverse lights, but they're there. I got that installed. The main reason I printed that roof rack was that reason right there. Look at the scratch at the top of it. And it looks just kind of looks cool. Up underneath here, we got the everything is stock. Other than that, drill plates and stuff with the about it. I just got some, and I don't know why that new shit. 3D printed license plate. Awesome. What kind again? Just normal 750 milliamp hour battery. That's with it. No plugs. Set that aside. Now, and look. Yeah, basically, just all it goes with is the grill. Front bumper lights. So today, we're going to be taking these tires off. Wheels off. Tire wheels off. Replacing it with wheels. Here are the new wheels. Here's the new wheels. We're going to put them together. Tires. And silicone inserts. Alright, before we get into it, here's the part number for tires. Okay. Here's the part number for the silicone inserts I got. Alright. And here's the part number for the wheels that I got. All that will be linked right down in the description. I'm sure some of y'all would like to know how much each thing weighs. So here we go. This is the tire. It's 14 grams per, and this is with the foamy in it. Give me a second, I'll take the foamy out. Silicone, insert. 14. I'll take and do one wheel. 12, and that's without most of the screws and bolts and whatnot. See if I can take this foamy out one-handed. Foamy, I'll do foamy first. It's 0, I promise. There we go. And you can't even read it. 13 with the tire. 12, so it's I would say it's 1 ounce, maybe. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I'm going to get all the foamies out of all the tires, which isn't that hard. Which one? Alright, now I put the silicone inserts in the tires. I got a simple way to do this. You get all 4 of them on one hand, and you lay them down just like that, right? And you just like that. See? Simple, like YouTube. Hey, YouTube snap, right? So now that we got all 4 of these on, we're gonna set these right over here, and this is sidewall has a lot of give. It's going to be different when it gets the wheel in it, but I'm sure a lot of people wanted to see that because you don't necessarily always buy the silicone inserts. A lot of people have Flemmies, but I wanted to try these out of there. We haven't finished in the wheel up close yet. It comes pretty much fully assembled. You don't need to do much to it. I don't know if anybody, if you haven't done this, this is a good how-to. Jora set it. You don't necessarily need the Enjora one. I was already on a bunch of different sizes too. So to take these out, you're going to need a 0.05 inch X. And you're going to be taking out that screw and that screw. They're not tight. Don't even need to put it in the handle for these purposes. I put that off, put the ring off, and I'm gonna take this screw off. Put that screw all the way up. So hard to tell, but it's a shorter one. I was going to dump them all out. Didn't need to, but that's what I did. So, okay, so the one on the right, the one on the there, the one on the right is the one that came out of the wheel. The one on the left, the one that goes in the hub to hold the hub in. Do not need a long one right now. We will, just not right now. All right, now what you want to do is you want to get your tire. You want to get your tire, put it in there, just like so. Put the ring in there, work it around the tire, and push it on in. Bring that tire up. Okay. Now, it's hard to tell it, but you see those empty holes? Don't worry about the screws already. See the empty hole? Get a pointer. Right there. Right there. Right there. And then there's one right there. That's where we're going to be lining this up at. The beak locks. Just crimps on the bead. And kind of line it up. It's very hard to get this on camera, but I can barely see it. Just touch. There's a guy I work with. Maybe he's watching this. Maybe he's not. I'm sure he's not. But there's a guy I work with. His name is Chris. His nickname is Patience because he has none. And you gotta have patience. Truthfully, once you get the two lined up, the 3 and 4 is not hard at all. They don't have to be super tight, but they do need to be tight. Okay, so now the only thing left to do is put the rest of the screws in to hold the hub in. That's the thing. And guess what? These are the long ones. Alright, they're all in. I'll tighten them up. Okay. There you go. That's how you put it together. So yeah, just do that 4 more times or however many you need. And that's how you put a wheel together. Just like so. I think super sticky. Alright, I got my tires done. So I have a few. And you're probably wondering, why do I need 5? Well, I did have a Bronco. And I did mess around off camera because I wanted to see how to take this plastic tire off. There's actually a screw hidden right behind the sticker. Check that out right. What you're going to need with that one is the 1.5 millimeter. The 1.5 millimeter hex head. And you could probably heat this up, peel it off, and actually save it. But I don't really care about saving it. But I'm just gonna fiddle my way around. I'm gonna need that push to screw out, which you want to drop it too. Or make sure you drop it on your floor. Screw retrieve. As you can see, it just has a hex, just like on those, and the hex lines up perfectly like an axle. Okay, and now she's on there. Check that out. Man, it looks so much more badass. A little low, a little low. Hopefully it'll clear the bumper, but we'll see. We'll see. Lay that back here. Actually, lay that out of the way. Get you over here out of the way. Okay, now, fun part. Take this out of here. You're going to need the 5.0 box. Take those off. Loading these up out of the way. Okay, so I've actually already had these wheels on. What I found out, and I'll go ahead. The stud is too long for the hub and everything. So you're going to need a spacer. And actually, you can go ahead and see it. Don't worry about the little dog. So these things are sticky. You drive it on carpet, it's going to pick up every little thing, and it already has. But as you can see, I have a little bit of spacer there on the outside because I didn't want it in there. It didn't fit right for whatever reason. But now that goes in there like it does. Got the little collar on it. And you can tighten that down. Maybe. Oh. Something I have noticed with the Endura wheels and tires. I did that backwards. You cannot tighten down with all of those. It just doesn't fit. I don't know why they made the clearance like that. So you will need an actual like RC 4-way wrench to tighten that up. Look, man, I don't make the rules. Oh, spacer. Here are the stainless steel spacer part number. Comes in a bag. As you can see, I already opened it. I used the smallest. I think they're all the same diameter. It's just the thinner. I used the thinnest spacer. As you can see, it's just the thinnest little spacer. Ain't much to it at all, but you will need it because if not, you're not going to be able to tighten down your wheels. I actually bought those on accident. I didn't plan on buying those. I plan on using them for something else, but I was like, man, these seem a little useful. I'm gonna go ahead and get them. They're pretty cheap, so that's why I went ahead and did it. And I'm glad I did because it worked out. So there we go. We got we got one side, not two sides. We got one side. Now let's do the other side, man. And that's it. She's on there. All right. Don't worry about the wire. I'm gonna clean that up at another point in time in my life, just not today. Let's throw the battery back in the battery tray. that in there. Go ahead and hook this mug up. Oh yeah, while I'm thinking about it. Maybe. Hopefully that didn't break. I got the 3D printed a seat. Oh, you can't really see it. There's actually a there's an interior in there. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the dash and the seats in there. Maybe I should have wanted a different color. I don't know. Planning on tinting the windows, but I haven't done it yet. That don't look good. There we go. Yeah. Oh, right, turn my controller on. So, if you have the factory lights, I don't know if it all do or not, but I know the factory seats. I can talk for the factory lights. They'll flash yellow if you are not connected or you not have your controller on when you do it. That's it. That's what she looks like. I have many more parts. They're looking for fitment on the bumper. She hits everywhere, so but I have new suspension parts here, and I'm ready to put them on. Just didn't want to do it today, and I have more on the way that I forgot to order. So yeah, but one second. It goes better on carpet, but it's just slippery. Let's get that over. And I'm on the stock. Everything's stock right now, other than these tires. Well, a little high centered. Oh, before I get for looking through the camera. So yeah, that's it. I got many more parts to install, but as of right now, we'll keep between the ditches, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm right.